viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Today's video guys, we'll be doing some pumpkin fritters. Yeah man, you heard me right, some pumpkin fritters. So down here we have our ingredients guys. We have a piece of pumpkin here, lovely piece of pumpkin, yeah. We have some bell peppers, red and a green here. And we have 2 eggs as well. Plus we have cinnamon stick. This is it man, cinnamon stick, yeah? Yeah man, and we have a vanilla. And over here we have some nutmeg as well. That is it, nutmeg. Yeah? So now we're gonna peel up our pumpkin and get it cooked first. And then we're gonna get these 2 eggs in and whisk up our thing, yeah, in the blender. So stay tuned guys, we soon come. We'll get the pumpkin clean up, peel up, yeah. So stay tuned, we'll soon be back. Alright guys, we peel piece already, so we're gonna peel another piece. You notice I just put it down on the board and just cutting the skin away. Yeah? Simple as that. Just like that. Just like that. Right, so that is that. So now we're just gonna cut it up like so, you know. That's the way. Yeah, we're not gonna mince them up, we're not gonna chop them finely, so just, you know, because we're gonna get them in the blender after they cook. So stay tuned, you'll see all of that, we soon come. Alright guys, water is boiling up. Yeah, so we're gonna add the pumpkin in. Let's see. Let it cook. Yeah, and we're gonna put this piece of cinnamon stick in there as well. Yeah, I already put a little salt in there. So I'm gonna leave this to cook for maybe 15 minutes, so stay tuned, we'll soon come. Alright guys, we're gonna check on pumpkin, see if it's cooked. Yeah man, the pumpkin ready guys, pumpkin cooked, so we're gonna get it out. Quick and fast. Aroma coming from the cinnamon stick guys, it's not normal, I'm telling you. Smells amazing. Smells amazing. Amazing. Alright, so at this point we're gonna turn the stove off. And we're not gonna throw the water away guys, we're gonna pour some in a cup. Yeah. Gonna get a cup. Yeah man, of this goodness, smells so good. So stay tuned guys, you're gonna see what we'll be doing with this water. Yeah, so stay tuned, we soon come. Alright guys, we're gonna get the pumpkin, yeah, cooked pumpkin in the blender. Right, and we're gonna get these 2 eggs in there as well. That is it. this water? Yeah man. We're gonna get it in there. This is the water that the pumpkin that we cook the pumpkin in. Yeah. So the leftover, I'm gonna use it to blend up our pumpkin. And we're gonna add see, as you can see guys, I'm adding some vanilla essence in. I put 2 cork full in there, that equivalent to a teaspoon. Yeah man. Yeah man, that is it. So we're gonna add a little salt as well. Yeah, like so. We don't want anything to be salty. And then we are gonna add a little pinch of black pepper. You know? Just a little black pepper in there. Alright, we'll get this blend up now guys, so stay tuned, we soon come. Alright guys, we're gonna start frying our fritters. We're gonna start getting them in the pot like so. So when we finish frying our fritters guys, we're gonna show them to you. So stay tuned, we soon come. Alright guys, welcome back. So you guys, this is the finished product. We have managed to fry a few of the pumpkin fritters. It's a lot, so I managed to do a few. Yeah. So anyways, I'm going to show that to you guys. And one thing guys, I want to point out, when you're doing this mixture, you don't want to add a lot of water because you don't want to get it too runny. You know what I mean? You just want to have a nice smooth consistency. Yeah. Because it's something you're going to fry with an extra olive virgin oil or whichever oil of your choice you want to use, but I did use olive oil. But anyways, we're going to show you the thing, how the thing looks. So this is pumpkin fritters guys, this is it. So what we're going to do now guys, we're going to add a little syrup. Just add a little syrup on that, like, you know, like pancake thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man. And at the side I've got a few sausage at the side guys, chicken sausage that is. So we are going to sample the thing and see what go on, yeah? Yeah man. Yeah man, thing good guys. Tastes good. No joke. Let me try with a piece of this chicken sausage and see what's going on. Wow, amazing. Amazing guys. It's lovely. Wow. Yeah man, pumpkin fritters, so it's good, amazing, brilliant. Yeah man, you can give it a go guys. You can try it, yeah. So delicious. Wow. Amazing guys. Give it a go guys. So yeah guys, we have made it to the end of another video, lovely video. So what I want you to do for me, remember, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Catch you in another one. Peace out. Peace out. We out. See ya man, catch you in another one.